In today's AV world, broadcast and AV have never been closer together, and today I'm joined by Phil from Riedel to talk about these converging markets and what that means for this industry. Riedel's no stranger to the AV market, nor is it a stranger to live and broadcast, for example. Tell me, how are these markets coming together? What is it that really brings you to ISE and makes this a standout for you?
Yeah, thanks for having me today. You named it. I mean, the convergence of the two industries. We have a strong background in the media sector. I mean, the heritage is intercom, but the portfolio has grown heavily over the years. And we want to specifically bring the advantages of these sectors to ISE, to the ProAV customer base, and likely enable new workflows and bring everything that's good for media and broadcast into this industry and have both sides benefit from that.
It's a changing market too. We're seeing in ProAV as we lean into a more broadcast-centric future, these shows and these events are becoming more complex, more slick. Tell me about Riedel's product offering. How do you really meet this growing demand for that increased flexibility?
Yeah, from a product-centric view, I mean, that's quite easy, but I mean, the real challenge is on how to bring this all together into meaningful workflows, right? I mean, the challenge we see everywhere is, I mean, less staff to operate, to actually create content. So it's really important, I mean, to have nice, efficient workflows. And I think this is where we can shine, where we can add value. You might be aware last year we had an acquisition of a control system named Hive, for example. So we really want to put a focus here to have overarching workflows and to operate the sub-segments of technology, but still leveraging their strengths, if this makes sense. And all of this nowadays on an IP layer that also makes things much more complex. Also in regards of skill set of staff to operate this, to plan it, right? And also, support our partners and system integrators to have an easy to implement solution, and then have a proper control layer on top.
I think you hit the nail on the head there. These systems are becoming more complex, and the job for you as a manufacturer is to simplify those needs without compromising on the capability of the product, right?
Correct. I mean, this hits the mark, and I mean, we have the products here to demonstrate this, where we keep the UI as simple and as possible, while we keep the technical complexity as far away as possible from the operator. But also meet the operator on his personal skill set, where depending on a user login, for example, you meet the UI that you need for your specific work.
Absolutely, and it seems that Riedel is staying ahead of the game here in all of these different worlds, be it AV, broadcast and further media, so it's great to see, Phil. Thank you so much.
That's what we're here for.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.